Welcome to Career Services tutorial on how to search for jobs. First, you want to go to Handshake's landing page. Then go ahead and go up here to where it says jobs and click on it. You can sort by location. So if we're looking for Columbus, Ohio, we'll want to click Show Results. If we're looking for an internship, we can go ahead and click on Internships. Here you'll be able to see all the different types of internships that are available currently in Central Ohio. You'll do the same thing if you're looking for a full-time job. You'll click full-time job. We're going to unclick the internship since we are now looking for a full-time job. And we can look at the full-time jobs that are available here currently in Central Ohio. Again, let's say if you're looking to become a prep cook or line cook, you can click Save to save that position. You can also click on the position to be able to view what are they looking for in their applicant so that you can go ahead and make modifications to your resume and cover letter prior to submitting for the position. You are also able to look at your saved jobs by clicking on the Save Jobs. You can click here to look at your applications to be able to follow. As you can see, we've not submitted any applications yet, but you can click there to follow what the status is. And you can click here to discover more about employers and follow employers that you're interested in. As Handshake gets to know you better, they will highlight employers that you might be interested in following. Again, you can use the filters to be able to select employers that you are most interested in. So this concludes how to go ahead and look for and search for jobs or internships that you are interested in obtaining. Have a great day.